Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on KuCoin. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the KuCoin application on your device. And once you open up the application, you will see the sign up/login button. To create a new account, tap on this button and now you will see the sign up section. You can either enter your phone number or your email address or continue with your Telegram account as well. Just enter your email address or your phone number, and if you have a referral code, you can also enter this. Then tap on the create account button and you will be asked to verify your identity by solving a CAPTCHA. After solving it, you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email address or your phone number. So check your SMS or your email and you will find this code. Enter this code within the given box and you will be asked to set your account password. Type in your desired password and then tap on the next button. And now you will be logged into your newly created account on KuCoin right away. You can proceed with verifying your account by tapping on the verify button, and then you can proceed forward with your personal information. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on KuCoin. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.